hello everyone. First of all, let's put all the safety equipment before working. So I will show you how to put the wire on the horizontal baler, but you have to know first that there is two types of wire. You have a coils with 20 kilos, so you can put it and lift it manually, and you have the 40 kilos coils, where you have to use a small crane or a forklift to put it on the machine. First, remove the flange. Then we have the tools just to protect your hand from the thread here. You check the rotation of the coils. The coils must go inside this way. So here you can see. Okay, remove the tools. Put back the flange. So you should not tie too much, just a little. So next, we have to remove the roller tensioning in order to put the wire inside the tube, which is there. So next, let's cut these things. But very important, you have to hold and keep the wire, because if you don't, the wire will, and it will get mixed, and we don't want to mix the wire. So we take the wire manually. Okay. We cut the wire to make it easy to put inside the tube. The tube is under here, just under here. So the tube under is going all the way up to under the tying system that is here, where you will have a small roller and a small hole. So I will show you the way to make sure that it goes through. So sometimes the wire doesn't go through the hole that is on the opposite side. So there is a way to turn the wire. So you just make that, and you see it doesn't go. So the way is to make it up, and it went in. Okay. And the wire is on the other side. So now we will just tie it on the chain link that is there. Okay. Just like that. That's it. Okay, so we have to pull the wire to make sure the wire is straightened, just for the needles to catch the wire on the other side. We put back the roller. Oops, sorry. We tied the nut such a way that the roller is free. Make sure that the roller is free. So you have to adjust the coil feeding system, because it should because if you don't adjust this, when the needle will pull the wire, it will turn very fast and the wire may drop out. So let's adjust it. This is too much free. It should be a little bit hard. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, let's put the tools. Let's put back the flange. Let's not tie the flange completely, just a little bit. Except the one with the wire. Because again, just like in the back, we have to hold the wire to avoid mixing the coil. Okay, then the wire should go this way to the roller that is there. Roller. If you have any difficulty on every machine, you have a drawing to show where the wire should go. And the next is here. And after, it's the one in the back. For this roller, I mean, you have to put a little like that. Let's put it. Then you pull and you put it on the needle. Later on, we will tie it manually. So this adjustment is very important because if it's too soft, you will have problem with the twist, with the wire. It will twist three wire, and if it's too hard, it will go inside. The wire will go inside. So you really have to adjust it such a way that it's a little bit hard, but just like it is now, like that. That's perfect. So let's start the machine in manual mode. So you have to close the door, make sure the safety is okay, reset the safety. So let's reset the safety. And then we go back to the manual mode. So we'll use the manual control box in order to get the wire that is under the machine. Let's put the manual, turn the key to manual, select press plate forward, let's do it. Two is needle down, let's do it. Three, just to bring the wire up. Let's rotate one turn. Okay. Let's not do this one because this one is reversed and we don't want to untwist. Let's do 6 to cut the wire. 7, wire back position, and 8, press plate backward. So let's tie the wire. We keep the head, we keep the wire into the head, and we first tie manually, just like that. Then we use the pliers to tie it. We cut the excess wire. Then after, we remove the wire from the head to make sure it goes. We close the door and we put back the machine in automatic mode. So it's very important to put back the machine in automatic mode straight after, because the machine will go back and find the original position. Safety reset, automatic mode. Machine start, go back to the standard mode. So you just have to repeat the same procedure on the 3 other wire, and then you can start the machine. It's done.